What's up? I'm Eric and I'm a character artist in the games industry. I currently work on the MMO Crowfall, which is a game with a heavily stylized art style. Stylized art is a passion of mine, and so is game art in general, but I really love kind of finding different styles and different ways to express my art. And when a lot of us transitioned to working from home and I was home all day, I thought, man, this is a great time to start a YouTube channel. And of course, I just sat on my couch and played video games instead. I think you know how that goes. So here it is, a year and a half or so later, and I'm finally launching it. I'm super excited, and I hope you come along. I've got tons of ideas for this channel. I want to do how-tos, I want to talk to other artists, tutorials, and show you guys some of my projects and things that I'm learning and trying to improve upon. So I'm really excited. The first couple videos on this channel are going to be dedicated to introducing ZBrush from the ground up. So if you've never used ZBrush before, or you're somebody who uses Max or Maya or a different software package and you're interested in learning ZBrush, it's going to be a great series for you because we're going to look at it from your first time opening ZBrush all the way through to being able to sculpt assets within ZBrush. So I'm going to go from being able to never using ZBrush to actually being able to navigate it and sculpt in it. And I'm really excited to show you that. If you're interested in this kind of content, you're interested in game art, that sort of thing, please consider subscribing to the channel. And I hope you come along with me on this journey. I'm really excited. Thank you.